Here's how to change your filing status on TurboTax. So your filing status is dictated by your info that you give TurboTax. So whether you're single, married, filing jointly, or separately, etc. And so that's going to be in the My Info section. So we've got to go there and revisit that or visit it for the first time if you're just filling out your taxes. The first thing you should do though is probably click that link in the description because it will save you 20%. I can't save you 70%. I'm so sorry. But it will save you 20% on your federal tax filing. And so sign up or sign in through that link. It's an affiliate link, so it helps support this channel. Boy, I wish I could save you 70%. So you're going to go to the My Info section, and then you're going to find your information here. Obviously, this is sample information. We got Bugs Bunny here. We're going to revisit this because filing status, married filing separately, maybe I actually meant to put in single, right? Or maybe I just needed to change this filing status somehow. So we're going to go through this, and we've got occupation or job title. It needs info still, but I can probably skip some of the things that I've filled in or missed before and get to this part right here, which is about your household. So if you want to change your filing status, you're going to change one of these things here. Maybe I want to go back to single instead of this married thing, right? And then I'm going to scroll down from there and hit continue. And so there may be some more information to fill in, but I'm going to just continue because this is, just some sample information, for instance, and then it shows you your filing status. And so, the IRS requires you to file this way if you're not legally married or don't have a dependent, etc. Right? So that's how you can kind of change your filing status, adding dependents or adding a spouse or anything like that within your info. Or removing them as well if that's the case for you. Now, none of this is tax advice. This is just kind of how to use the platform. I would rely on TurboTax and their guidance through here. And also, you can go up to the buttons up here and get expert help if you need. You can ask the kind of AI assistant and read through all of their guides and everything, because anywhere you see something where you can like click on, let's see, of course I don't see anything on this page, but if I go to income, wages, and salaries, I'll probably be able to find something pretty quickly here as I go through and edit one of these things. I see these little question marks, and when I click on them, I learn more about that particular piece of information or question that it's asking me, or the box that I need to fill in, anything like that. And I can learn a bunch over here and search for things. So you can really, like, I've used TurboTax for 10 plus years for my personal and business taxes. And I just feel like it's a much more guided way of kind of doing your own taxes. Or you can even have a live expert be there with you to help you through things, to ask questions. Or you can actually have them fill out all of your taxes for you if you want to. I've never done it to that degree. I feel pretty good filling in my own stuff, but I'm glad that I have this system where I can ask it questions and be guided along. So that's TurboTax. If you haven't used it, I would highly recommend it. I'm going to use it forever, basically, and be able to do my taxes on both the business side and the personal side. And like I said, you can click that affiliate link in the description down below or the top or pinned comment. That'll save you 20% on your federal tax filing here through TurboTax. That's how you can change your filing status on TurboTax, and I wish that was how you could save 70%. Not today, but hey, there's always next year, right? Maybe you can save 70% by switching your product. So if you want to know some secrets here, you can switch your product and upgrade or downgrade. So if you're on a product that you don't need to be, you can actually click downgrade, or you can even clear and start over and start on the free version of TurboTax. If you want to know how to do that, there's some bonus information that, I can't save you 70%, but I might be able to if you don't need to be on the product you're on. So let's say I cannot downgrade to free. You might be able to. If you click downgrade, it might let you go to the free edition, and you can just click that button and save whatever that cost was. Or you can clear and start over, and you can actually clear out your tax data. And when you clear it out, you're going to be on that starting screen where the TurboTax expert is waving at you. And from there, they're going to ask you to basically fill out information that applies to your tax situation. If you leave it all blank, then they'll recommend the free product to you. So that's what I have a couple videos on those. It shouldn't be too hard to find them, but that's the process. Clear, start over. Don't fill anything in at first, and they'll recommend free. And you can start with free. If you ever need to upgrade, you can just upgrade a little bit as needed. That's a little extra information. Maybe that can save you 70% on your taxes this year. All right, I'm rambling on. Thank you for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.